Invented a completely unique technique which combines live action visualization with turntable art. Could you tell us a little bit more about this specific technique?
Well, it's based on a technique which is really old, but at 1832 it still had no cameras. They used a mirror and this with slits, and they looked at the slits, and that also worked. Instead of the mirror, you use the camera. I have a record, a turntable who helps me. So I just combined an old technique with also old technique like turntablism, and made something new about it. But the elements are really old.
But the mixture is very unique. I haven't seen anything like that.
I hope so, yes. I think it has not been done. The record takes 2 seconds for one round, and the camera shoots 75 frames a second. So there have to be 50 pictures on the disc, so that the picture is standing still. It's a visual project, so I was inspired by other visuals, but I didn't like the whole computer stuff. So it was interesting looking at the laptop and doing something, and you don't know if it's downloaded from the internet or if the artist has made it himself. And I wanted something you can touch. It doesn't work with too much happy dance music, so it's looking more like architecture or something. One of the downfalls of the technique is that you can't make like a feature movie because you can only do this 2-second loops. And so I wanted to do a story that reflects this being stuck in a loop and stuck in a groove, so that things repeat. Even if it's complicated, but every person can try it out himself. It's really easy. You put the record on the turntable and it starts spinning, and you see the animation. So it's a really simple to understand process.